Welcome to Lisbon. The capital of Portugal is known for its colorful hillsides, historic trams, and vibrant mix of old-world charm and modern culture. Overlooking the Atlantic Ocean, the city offers stunning views, rich maritime history, and a thriving food and music scene. Lisbon is located on the western coast of Portugal along the Atlantic Ocean and at the mouth of the Tagus River. Our journey begins at Praça do Rossio, one of Lisbon's most iconic and lively squares. Surrounded by historic buildings, cafes, and theaters, it has been a central meeting point for locals and visitors since the Middle Ages. The square is famous for its wave-patterned cobblestone pavement and the grand statue of Dom Pedro at its center. Dom Pedro, also known as Pedro of Brazil, was a key figure in both Portuguese and Brazilian history, remembered for his role in establishing Brazil's independence and his liberal reforms in Portugal. Praça do Comércio, also known as Terreiro do Paço, is a grand riverside square in Lisbon that once housed the royal palace. It opens directly onto the Tagus River, offering beautiful waterfront views and a sense of openness. The square is framed by impressive yellow Pombaline-style buildings and features the prominent statue of King José I on horseback. Today, it serves as a hub for tourists and locals alike, with cafes, cultural events, and access to historic landmarks. The Cathedral of Lisbon, also known as Sé de Lisboa, is the city's oldest church, dating back to the 12th century. Built in a mix of Romanesque, Gothic, and Baroque styles, it has withstood earthquakes and centuries of history, remaining a symbol of Lisbon's resilience. Alfama is Lisbon's oldest neighborhood, known for its narrow winding streets, traditional houses, and vibrant local life. It's the birthplace of fado music, which echoes from tucked-away taverns and small restaurants. Perched on a hillside beneath the São Jorge Castle, Alfama offers stunning views over the city and the Tagus River. Pink Street, or Rua Nova do Carvalho, is one of Lisbon's trendiest nightlife spots, located in the Cais do Sodré district. Once a seedy red light area, it has transformed into a vibrant hub of bars, clubs, and cafes, with its signature pink-painted pavement drawing crowds day and night. The surrounding neighborhood blends historic charm with modern energy, making it a favorite for both locals and tourists. Praça Luís de Camões is a charming square in the heart of Lisbon, located between the Chiado and Bairro Alto districts. It features a prominent statue of the famous Portuguese poet Luís de Camões, surrounded by traditional Portuguese cobblestone patterns. The square is a popular meeting point, offering easy access to nearby shops, cafes, and cultural landmarks. The Miradouro de São Pedro de Alcântara is one of Lisbon's most beautiful viewpoints, located in the Bairro Alto district. This landscaped terrace offers panoramic views over the city, including iconic sites like the São Jorge Castle, the Lisbon Cathedral, and the rooftops of the historic Alfama district. The viewpoint features a garden with statues, benches, and a tiled map that labels the landmarks you can see. It's a popular spot for both daytime sightseeing and enjoying the city lights at sunset. Thank you for watching.